Hi all, welcome to the demo of JMS to Salesforce integration using MuleSoft. So basically what we are doing today is we are queuing the messages to ActiveMQ and then consuming or dequeuing them to the Mule flow, and with that incoming data we are creating accounts in the sales. So let's get started. I'll give you a brief around the Mule's flow that I have created. So this is the listener, which would be responsible for triggering the mule flow. This is the configuration that I have given. These are the default configuration. Coming to the next connector, this is JMS publish connector, which would be responsible for queuing those messages to ActiveMQ. So the configuration are as here. These are the configuration. We need to give the username, password, and the broker URL. So next we have the JMS consume connector, which is responsible for consuming those messages in the queue. So we need to give the configuration of JMS plus the destination of the queue, the name of the queue from which we are consuming the messages. Next we have the transform message, which is responsible for making the data compatible with Salesforce. So next we have the create connector of Salesforce, which is responsible for creating the account in Salesforce. So these are the configuration that is needed in Salesforce connector, the username, password, and the security. So now this is Anypoint platform where I have deployed this application. So it's up and running. Now let's hit the endpoint and check whether it's working or not. So let's give it a name of Kelly. I'll just send this message and check what's coming. Along. Yeah. So we got the message as name Kelly. So now I'll check in the Salesforce whether this account was created or not. So I'll copy this message ID. And this is my Salesforce org. So I'll paste the message ID here and check whether this account was created with the name of Kelly. Yeah, so here we go. This account is created with the account name of Kelly. That's it. Thank you.